Hey everyone, I'm excited to share something I've been working on that I think you're going to find super valuable. If you've ever been curious about stock patterns, trading strategies, or how to really dig into the data to uncover what's driving returns, this is for you. I've been running some patterns using CRSP data, and what I'm finding is fascinating. It's confirming some of my suspicions, but it's also opening up new questions, and I want to take you along for the ride. So here's what I've discovered so far. When I run these patterns on the CRSP file, it's a lot like the CAN Slim project I worked on before. What's interesting is that penny stocks are doing a lot of the heavy lifting in terms of returns. But here's the catch. When you start applying more realistic filters, like a price threshold above $1 or a market cap above $150 million, things shift. The returns become more balanced, and you start to see a clearer picture of what's actually driving performance. But here's the thing, running these patterns in real time is a whole different ballgame. It requires more data, more testing, and honestly, a more robust system. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm planning to test this on a monthly CRSP file and a weekly SP500 file to get a more balanced view of the returns. The SP500 is easily tradable, and monthly data feels like a more realistic time frame for most traders. My goal is to refine the process, figure out what works, and then move into more specific or custom applications. In the meantime, I want to share what I've got so far. I've put together the databases and files that build these programs, and I'm making them available to you. If you want to explore this yourself, you can download the files and follow along with a basic course I've created. I'll walk you through the applications, show you how the patterns work, and give you the tools to start experimenting on your own. Now, I want to be transparent. This is still a work in progress. From what I've seen with famous investor models, when you run things on all available data, you often end up with just a handful of stocks driving most of the returns. These stocks can be tough to buy at the right time, and the rest of the returns are often smoothed out by the broader market. That's why I'm focusing on filtering out what's really contributing to the returns and applying more realistic assumptions. It's about finding what works well on real data and having the most practical application that is most likely to work in real time. So here's what's next. I'm going to keep testing these patterns, refining the process, and exploring new data sets. I'll be sharing updates along the way, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel to stay in the loop. And if you want to dive in now, grab the files, check out the course, and start experimenting. Let's figure this out together. If this sounds interesting to you, drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Are you more interested in the equity technical side of running these patterns, or do you want to see more about the futures trading in intraday or other practical applications? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.